get conscious when I come there. It's... Yeah. Please correct her. Not all the class I was not, only one class.
Ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning, all UKGB. Are you all there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Happy to see you all. Had your breakfast, everyone?
Yes.
Had nice breakfast. Feeling very energetic. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. I hear answer only from Tita. What about others? All are sleeping? Still on bed?
Ma'am.
Still on bed? Huh? No energy. Mummy did not give you all breakfast. That's why you're nobody speaking. Hold a second. I'm trying to admit everybody. Okay? Give me a second. Only 22 participants are there. Let me add others too. Okay? Okay? Okay, so good morning all once again. Happy to see you all. Give me a beautiful smile that you all give me usually. Where is the smile? I don't see smile on your face. Where is the smile gone? Went for toilet? Smile has walked to the toilet? Huh? It is in the washroom? It's walking back?
No.
No, it's there on your face. Okay. So how are you all? Yes, somebody is trying to talk in Malayalam. Try speaking in English. Okay. Okay. So children, start with the session with a prayer. Okay, join your hands, close your eyes. Join your hands, close your eyes. Yes, close your eyes. Our dear Father in heaven, we thank thee for this wonderful morning. We surrender each one of us into thy hands. Dear Father, bless us, guide us, guard us. Give us thy spirit, give us thy knowledge, give us thy wisdom, so that we may serve thee. Dear Father, bless our parents, teachers, and all our friends and their families. Bless the hands who make food for us. Bless all the people who are suffering from coronavirus and all the people who are in the mission of treating them. We ask all these things humbly in thy precious name. Amen. Parents, I request you all to keep your mics muted. When the prayer is going on, I hear sounds from parents talking there. What is happening there? Please keep your mic muted. Okay? Again, somebody is talking. Okay, I'm muting it from here so that again no response. If anything goes wrong, please send me a chat. Okay? So children, today Nancy ma'am has come with a song of flowers for you. Okay, new flower song. Okay, so meanwhile, I would request all my parents to take the textbook page number 20 for your children and keep it ready. Okay, children, mummies will take that. You look at the screen and listen to the song which I'm going to sing. Okay, everybody look at the screen. Okay, listen to the song. You're hearing it. I don't know, some of you would have heard it earlier. I'm going to sing it for you and I'll tell you the meaning of the song later. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Listen. One spring flower, awake and fresh and new, out popped another, and they wait too. Two spring flowers, watch a birdie soar, out popped another, and they wait three. Three spring flowers, dancing in the sun, out popped another, and they wave four. Four spring flowers, bathing in the sun, out popped another, and they wave five. Five spring flowers, five spring flowers for you and me, for you and me. Five spring flowers, five spring flowers for you and me, for you and me. Did you like this song? Yes, show me a thumbs up if you like it. Yes. Now let me tell you what is the meaning of this song. Okay, Aaron? Listen. So you all have seen flowers growing in the garden. Do they all grow one day like that? No. You need to plant a seed on the ground, and slowly when you water it and when it gets proper sunlight, slowly the flower will start coming out from the seed. Yes? And it starts growing out and it comes up and looks at the beautiful sky. It sees around. It looks very beautiful. So the first flower comes like that, and that is what it was sleeping on inside the seed. Okay, and it started it started growing, it started opening its eyes, and awakened fresh and new. When it grew, it was very much fresh and it was very much new. Okay, so that was the first line which I was singing. And second, when this flower was standing there awakened and fresh and new, next flower started popping up, next flower also started growing, and it also popped, and they were looking at each other and smiling. They saw a beautiful bird soaring round and round in the sky. What is soaring? Soaring, Barnanda, have you seen birds flying, going round and round on the sky? Yes, they sometimes birds fly round and round. Okay, so when they flowers grew, open up, when they saw up in the sky, they saw two birds soaring up. Okay, and they were very happy. And when they were watching like this, another flower also started popping out from the ground, and then third flower came. Okay, and all these three flowers were very happy, and they started dancing in the sun. You all dance when there is a music played, right? But these flowers were very happy when the sun came up, they were dancing in the sun. Okay, and the fourth time, what happened? Another flower also popped up, and they started bathing in the sun. You know what is bathing? You all take bath in the bathroom, right? With soap and water. But these flowers, they bath in the sun. Okay, when the sun comes, they are very happy. They take bath in the sun. Okay, so and the fifth flower, when it popped up, God has created these beautiful flowers. It's for you and me. Okay, it's for you and me to enjoy these flowers. So that's the meaning of the song. Shall we sing it? Now listen to the song. When I'm singing, you will understand it better. Okay, ready? I'm going to sing it for you. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. One spring flower, awakened fresh and new, out popped another, and they wait too. Two spring flowers, watch a birdie soar, out popped another, and they wait three. Three spring flowers dancing in the sun, out popped another, and they wave four. Four spring flowers bathing in the sun, out popped another, and they wave five. Five spring flowers, five spring flowers for you and me, for you and me. Five spring flowers, five spring flowers for you and me, for you and me. Okay, so I will send you the words so that you can learn it better. Now let's begin the session. Okay, now open your page number 20, which your parents have kept it ready. Let's read the flower names. Okay, open the book. Okay, Nancy ma'am is going to read it out for you. I want you to repeat the flower names. Okay, let's repeat the spellings. After that, we are going to write a question and answer in the EVS notebook. Ready? And we are going to do a bit of missing letters also. Ready? Start. Put your finger on the first one. Let's read Champa. C-H-A-M-P-A. Champa. C-H-A-M-P-A. Champa. My good children will repeat after me. I see many of you repeating, but some of you are still sitting quietly. I want you to open your mouth and repeat the spelling of you. The spelling with me. Okay, ready? C-H-A-M-P-A. Champa. Next one. Lotus. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. Third flower. Shoe flower. S-H-O-E-F-L-O-W-E-R. Shoe flower. S-H-O-E Flower. Shoe flower. See, Nancy ma'am is always pointing out my fingers to the book. Are you all doing it? I see some of you keeping your fingers on your lap. Put the book, put it on the textbook and read. Next, marigold. 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 Next one. Dahlia. 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 Let's read one more time. Dahlia. Dahlia. Next one. Sunflower. Sun. Put your finger there. Sunflower. Sunflower. Let's read one more time. Sunflower. Sunflower. Next one, rose. 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 Badri, speak. Jasmine. 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 Next one, lily. 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 So all my little friends will take your EVS notebook. Parents, help your children take EVS 4-line notebook. Okay, and give them a pencil also. Today they're going to write a question and an answer in the 4-line book. So this is the only question we have in the lesson flowers. Okay, the rest of it will come as a fill in the blanks. So the question is like this, name some flowers. Okay, I'll be writing on the board. I want all my children to write with Nancy ma'am. And parents, if your child is really slow, because there are children who are having difficulty in writing, if that is the case, only you will help. Otherwise, they will write it on their own, because it's a practice for them to copy it from the board and writing it in the notebook. Okay, so let them give a try. So the only one question, name some flowers, and we will write all the names of flowers. So sharing my screen, watch here. So all my children, let's write the date today. What's the date? 7th November, 7/11. We write 7/11. Please write that. And you all see a margin there, right? There's a margin in red color. So you will write here number 1. 7/11, and you write number 1, the first question. So start writing NAME. Name. Adna, Sunil, are you not writing? I see you playing there. Take your pencil and write. Name. Yes. OME. Name some. I want all my children to write. I'm writing it slow because I want you to copy. Say and write. I am a good girl, so I always say and write. If you are good children, you will say and write. NAME, name. SOME, some. Now let's leave a gap. After each word, you will leave one finger space. Flowers. FLOWERS. Name some flowers. What's the question? Name some flowers. If you have finished, please look at the screen or show me a thumbs up so that I understand you have completed. Basil, are you writing? Basil, where is your EVS notebook? Yes, write with ma'am. Write the date and start writing, Basil. Start writing, name some flowers. Yes, Anthony Naidu has completed. Name some flowers. Excellent. Good. Okay. So start writing the answers. Number 1, R O S E, rose. So all my friends, start writing the spelling. Number 1, it's rose. R O S E. Children, remember one thing, all these flower names should be written with capital letter. The beginning letter should be capital letter. See, Nancy ma'am has written capital R and rest of it is small letters. Okay? Anthony Naiju, are you writing? Number 2, let's write. Finished, everybody? Show me a thumbs up if you have finished, Rose. Yes, Darsh Krishna. Others are still writing. Yes, Shivada. Harriet, yes. Good. Manha, very good. Start writing. Excellent. Thank you, children, for writing with ma'am. I love to see you all write. Okay, next let's write lotus. L O T U S. Lotus. Now, if you know the spelling, you need to write on your own. Rasha, why are you not writing? Where is your notebook? Where is your pencil? Start writing the question. Rasha's mummy is next to you. Rasha's mummy, please. I think she was not writing all this time. Can you please write the question for her so that she can follow with the answers? Rasha, yes, Rasha's mummy, please copy the question. Name some flowers and let her write rose and lotus. Third one, let's write lily. L-I-L-Y. Lily. Parents, please instruct the first letter should be the capital letter. They will not know. Train them from beginning now. Name of the person, place, everything should be begin with the capital letter. So it's flower names. They have to write with the capital letter and rest of it should be small. Rayan, please turn on your video. I am not able to see you. Dhananjay, finished? Number 4. Let's write Champa. Write C H A M P A. Badri, you want to say something? Unmute and speak. Champa, finished? Now let's write Dahlia. D A H L I A. Dahlia. Dahlia. Very good, Basil. Right now. Finished, everybody, Dahlia? Show me a thumbs up if you have done Dahlia. Yes. Number 6. Number 6. Sunflower. Yes. U N sunflower. F L O W E R. Sunflower. Say and write. If you know the spelling, you can start writing on your own. Number 7. Number 7. Shoe flower. S H O E. Shoe. Flower. F L O W E R. Shoe. Flower. What is it? Shoe. Flower. Next one. 8. Let's write marigold. M A R I. Gold. G O L D. Marigold. M-A-R-I, marry. G-O-L-D, gold. Marigold. Finished? Next one. Number 9. Let's write jasmine. J A S M I N E. J A S M I N E. Jasmine. Finished? Okay. Parents, hope your children have completed. Those who have not completed, you can make them right after my class if they are really slow. Give them the textbook to see and you please dictate. Okay, stopping my share.
Finish.
Okay, I saw many of you finished. That's okay. Okay, keep it muted. Now listen to me, children. For the exam, okay, Nancy ma'am will give a question like this. Name some flowers. You have to read the question on your own. Yes, Adna, I see you. Everybody need not show me the book. Keep it with you. Keep the books on the table. Listen to what ma'am is talking to you now. Henna, don't cry. You can write after the class. Okay? Henna's mother, some children are slow. It's okay. They have eye-hand coordination. This is the first time. Writing is the last skill for you to understand. Parents, please listen. This writing is a last skill of the child's development. So they just try writing. And now they are doing a different task of like copying from the board and to the book. Okay? Everybody cannot do it like very fast. It is a training. So in the class, what we do is we write slowly and slowly we increase the speed for them to copy it for us. Okay, and slowly they'll make it fast. Maybe the handwriting doesn't look good, but they need to get the speed and also the handwriting to be neat. So it's a training. We have just started. Okay, so many of you have finished neatly. Very good. Keep your books on the table. Now listen to me, everybody. So question paper, I will be putting you in EVS a question like this. Name some flowers, okay? And I will be giving you dashes there to fill in the answers. So when you read the question paper, parents, you have to train your children to read the questions. So when they read it from the notebook, it is like they have to put the finger and read. N-A-M-E, name. S-O-M-E, some. Then F-L-O-W-E-R-S, name some flowers. After this, children, you have to fill in the dashes, any 5 flower names. Okay, so you have to make sure thorough with all the flower names. Okay, and when I give you the dashes, you have to write at least 5 flower names. Then You have to make thorough all the 9 flowers. Why? I'll tell you, because we are going to do missing letters. Okay. Now keep your pencil down. Look at the screen. Nancy ma'am is going to write few flower names here. Okay. And I want you to give the answers. I'll be calling one by one to give the answers. So only those children will unmute the mics. Rest of you will keep it muted. Okay. Keep it muted. Yes. No talking. Parents, please keep your mics muted. Only when I'm asking you to unmute, you will do it. Okay. Now, children, ma'am is going to write few names here, and I will be asking you to give me the answers to the children who will. No. Keep quiet. No giving answers now.
Oh.
The parent who has unmuted, please keep it muted. Or else I will have to do it from here. It is going to take a big task. My time is getting wasted in that way. Okay. Where has the who is talking there? Can you keep your mic muted? Is it Badri? Okay, children, there is some problem with the board. Okay, now let's start writing from here. When I try to write everything, the board is getting going. Okay, now first one. Harriet, unmute your mic. Harriet, unmute your mic. Give me the answer. What comes after R? Harriet Paul, please unmute your mic and give me the answer. Harriet Paul, give me the answer. First one. After, what comes after O? R. Darsh Krishna, give me the answer. Okay. R-O-S-E, rose. Next one. Arshika, give me the answer. Arshika, give me the answer. What comes after L? What comes after L? After L, what comes? Very good. L-I.
Lily.
Very good. L-I-L-Y, Lily. Now, wait, Pratap. What comes after L? The third one. Louder, please. I'm not able to hear you. What comes? I'm not able to hear him. Anthony Naiju, give me the answer. Anthony Naiju, unmute and give the answer. L?
Y.
No, it's not Y. Yes, L-O. Then T.
L-O-T.
Okay, keep it muted. Alden, give me the answer. After T, what comes? Yes. So L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Okay. Ahlam, give me the answer. Ahlam, what comes after yes? Ahlam,
You.
yes. Keep it muted. Now, John Paul, give me the answer. F-L, what comes after? John Paul, unmute and give the answer. F-L, then comes?
O.
Very good. O. Next one, Manha. Manha, give me the answer. After W, what comes? Manha. What? E-R. Okay. Sunflower. Now, Next one, C dash A dash. Now, Ishan, give me the answer. Ishan, give me the answer. After C, what comes? Very good. H-C-H-A. Najum, give me the answer after A, what comes? Yes, very good, Ishan. Najum, give me the answer. Next letter after A. Najum, give me the answer. Yam. Next, I want Lysandra to give me the answer. What comes after P? Lysandra. Yay. Okay, the next one. Keep it muted. Parents, keep it muted.
Spelling D N
Lysandra,
D
who is talking? Who is talking? Who is talking? Give me the name who has kept it unmuted. Parents, please keep your mic muted, please. Or if you want your child to give the answer, please name the child so that I can see which child is that. Okay, now Tirtha, give me the answer. After D, what is answer?
D A.
Okay. Keep it muted. Keep it muted. Now, next child, Niveda A-N. Niveda A-N, give me the answer. D-A-H-L. What comes next? Speak. After L, what comes? Niveda A-N. Ahlam, give me the answer. After L, what comes? Ahlam. I. Thank you. So D-A-H-L-I-A, Dahlia. Okay. So this is how the questions are going to be for the question paper. One question will be like this: name some flowers. So you have to write all the 5 flower names. Second one, it will be like missing letters. I want all my children to fill in the missing letters. The third question will be fill in the blanks. Now give me the answer. Dash is the queen of flowers. Which flower is the queen of flowers? Give me the answer, everybody.
Rose.
Very good. Give me the spelling of rose. Give me the spelling of rose. Very good. Okay. Next question. Next question. Dash is our national flower. Which is the national flower? Lotus. Excellent. Give me the spelling of lotus. Okay. Next question. Next question. The color of sunflower is dash. Spelling. YELLOW, that is the spelling of yellow. So this is the first lesson is over. Our flowers lesson is over in EVS. Okay. So parents, don't leave it like that. I want you to repeat it every day. Okay. And let's have a test in between, like how we do it usually. I send you the question paper, make them write. Let's do that in coming classes. Okay. Same way, even the at words and and words, every day give the textbook and make them read. So it stays in their memory, the spelling and words, at words, and also the missing letters, and let them do it with the fingers how to match it. Keep it every day. Brushing revision should be there. Okay. Either it be in English, either it be in EVS or Max. It has to be revision has to go with the textbook every day. Okay. Now children, today keep your books closed. Now I'm going to introduce 2 number names. One will be 19 and another one will be 20. With this, we are learning number names from 1 to 20. Okay. Now I'm going to introduce 2 number names. Don't write anything. Just watch the screen. You're not writing anything, but you will only say the number names with me. Okay. Look at the screen. The first one is, ma'am is going to teach you the spelling of 19. Okay. So what's the spelling of 19? You all know the spelling of 9, right? What's the spelling of 9? N, I, N, E. 9. You all know the spelling of 9. Just add teen to it. T-E-E-N. What is it? 19. 1, 9, 19. Very easy. Okay, you all know the spelling of 9. N-I-N-E, 9. And then what's the spelling of teen? T-E-E-N. 19. What is the spelling of 19? N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. Finished? Okay. So next let me introduce 20 also. After my class, I want you to write this 19 in your notebook and start writing it. Okay, now I'll teach you 20. Okay, watch here. What's the spelling of 20? T-W, okay, E-N-T-Y. 20. Here you're splitting it in two. What is that? T-W. Okay, T-W-E-N-T-Y. Okay, so first write T-W. Then we write E-N. Okay, T-W-E-N. What is the next one? T-Y. 20. Okay, so when you learn the spelling also, you have to learn it like this. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Split it in twos and you will read. Okay, T-W-E-N-T-Y. Now parents, ask them to repeat with me. Okay, children, everybody repeat the spelling with me. T-W, T-W, louder please. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Next one. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Okay, now repeat 19 with me. Okay. N-I-N-E, 9. Now tell me the spelling of teen. T-E-E-N. 19. What's the spelling? Let's say one more time. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. Let's say one more time. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. Okay, so that's all for today. I'm stopping my share. So children, today I want you to write in your math notebook 19 and 20. Rest of the homework I'm sending you. And EVS, make thorough all the flower names. Okay, missing letters, question answer, and also the fill in the blanks. Okay, make it very much thorough. And English book, I want you to read every day, atwords and anwords. Okay, anytime in an online session, whenever I feel like giving a test, I will give a surprise test. What will be it? I'll give a surprise test. Okay, you need not get scared. Okay, test is very easy for you all because you all have already learned the spelling. Okay, but don't get scared. Test is something very easy for us to write. Your mummies will fear you. Test is going to come. Nancy ma'am is going to give you a test. Okay, so you say it's easy, Amma. I will do it. What will you say? It is very easy, Amma. I can do it. Don't get scared. Okay, mummies, let them get scared. Okay, not you. I want you to read. So what is, how do you make the test very easy? You have to read it every day. Read your textbook every day. Okay, when mummy is sleeping, you open the textbook and read fast and keep it everything ready in your brain. Okay, and when mummy comes to scare you, with the questions, you write the answers and you scare her. Okay, give the answers and you scare her. She will get scared. Okay, yes, so my children will all study, read the textbooks every day, learn the spellings. Yes, okay, shall we end our session now? Okay, so see you all in the next session. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.